Hey everybody, Simon Gadget Guy here, and it would seem that the live streaming video app wars are finally here. Meerkat made an impressive debut at South by Southwest, and now Twitter is joining the game with Periscope, which was just released yesterday. I've just started playing with it, and unfortunately, the only iPhone that I have in-house at the moment is this pink iPhone 5C, which I honestly cannot remember why I even have this phone in my collection right now, but it's what we're gonna have to use to check out Periscope. So we're gonna tap on this little app right there, pull it up. I've already logged in. It attaches to your Twitter account, and at the moment I have 0 followers because I really haven't done much to utilize the service. I haven't done any streams myself, but I've been watching other people do streams, and it's been kind of interesting watching sort of an in-the-moment live view of what someone thinks is kind of important. But this is the main watch view that you're going to see, and you can see as people kick on, as shows go live and as shows go offline, we get little red tabs, gray tabs, to kind of alert us to what's happening in the circle of people that we're following. So right now, someone's sitting in a bus at Lincoln Tunnel. Let's go ahead and fire this up and see if we can watch what they're broadcasting. And as we're watching this video streaming, and it's kind of tricky because a lot of people are going to be streaming this via, say, like a 3G or 4G data connection, but we can see in real time the conversation that's happening on this actual stream. And this is happening in this moment. While I'm shooting this review, there is some dude on a bus who's sharing his bus ride, and there are a number of people that are sitting there and engaging in a conversation with him while he's having his morning commute. This is probably destroying his data plan if he's on some kind of cap, but you're able to now broadcast a fairly decent high-quality video stream of what you're interacting with and what you're participating with. Oh, and someone just liked his video. We saw a little stream of hearts going. So we can exit out of this. And the app's layout is very simple. It's actually a really well-polished app experience. The main watch tab down here in the bottom is where we start whenever we open the app. We can also go to the right-hand side. This is the people you're following on the service, or also just really popular Periscope users to try and get you into the service, to get you to participate with the service, and make sure that you can find content easily. It's one of those things where this is so raw, it's so new, trying to actually populate the service with interesting and engaging content is actually a little bit of a challenge. Tap up here on this little person silhouette, and we can look at my profile. I apparently have 1 heart. That's kind of interesting. I haven't, like I said, I haven't really used this for anything yet, outside of watching other people streaming on the service. I'm trying to think about what the first stream I should do, and I should totally open that question up. So what should my first stream on Periscope be? Drop me a comment down below this video, and I'll see if I can make that happen. If we want to do, say, a nature hike, maybe a day down in Santa Monica, and I can live stream some shots of the beach, or maybe even just set this up and have it rolling while I'm trying to shoot a video review, and you can see how awful I am at actually producing gadget reviews. Really quick layout for who you're following, how many followers you have, if anyone's blocked you, and then if we get into the settings, this is just simple notification settings, so I only have it set to notify me when someone follows me, and then I do have the setting to auto save broadcast. So as you're using the camera and as you wrap up a broadcast, it'll actually save that as a video file on your phone, or you can turn that off, disable it, and just get rid of it. It'll just nuke it from your phone wherever if you're worried about taking up phone storage. Seeing as how this is an iPhone only app at the moment, that might be a really precious setting to disable. And lastly, we have the proper broadcast tab. If I fire this up now, so you start off with a description of what you're seeing. That's what's going to be the description that most people see from that first layout view. And then you start the broadcast, and as you're broadcasting, you can use this pop-up keyboard to interact with people that might leave you comments or might interact with you. Let me see if I can get it to actually focus. It's little features like that I'm not entirely sure what's being utilized or how it's being used. So I can't get it to focus on my Darth Vader Pez dispenser. It is instead focusing on the background. If I move this around here, see, there we go. Yeah, the autofocus on the iPhone 5C isn't terrific anyway. And from here, I could fire this up and I could stream pretty decent high-quality video of a Darth Vader Pez dispenser to the internet. So folks, this has been a quick look at the Periscope app, currently only available on iOS devices. Again, it's just kind of a bummer when you leave out some of the best mobile cameras available to the Android and Windows Phone ecosystem, just so that you can focus on that streamlined iPhone experience. But because this service is Twitter-backed, I would expect that we'll probably see Periscope make it to Android devices before Meerkat. You can check out Periscope now. It's a free app in the iTunes App Store. Hopefully soon, like I said, we'll see it on other devices as well. And I want to hear from you folks what I should shoot on Periscope for my first live stream. I'll leave a link down below this video where you can download the app. As always, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more reviews and videos like these, and I would not be able to continue producing on this channel if you all weren't out there sharing my videos on social sites like Twitter and Facebook and Reddit and Google+. So keep bringing more cool people to the party. Hit that thumbs up button, and I will catch you all on the next review.